Welcome back to Car Review. The Lexus LC 500 is more than just a luxury coupe. It is a masterpiece of engineering and design, a fusion of performance, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 elevates this iconic model to new heights, embodying the essence of grand touring with exhilarating power, stunning aesthetics, and a driving experience that ignites passion. If you think you know luxury, prepare to be captivated, because this flagship coupe redefines what it means to blend elegance with high-performance capability. While the automotive world shifts toward electrification, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 remains a beacon for enthusiasts who crave the soul-stirring roar of a naturally aspirated V8 engine. With a starting price of around $98,850 and the LC 500 offers a choice between a sleek coupe and an open-air convertible, each crafted to deliver an unforgettable journey. At the heart of this extraordinary machine is a 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing an exhilarating 471 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. The high-revving powerplant delivers a spine-tingling exhaust note that embodies the spirit of performance. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the LC 500 delivers seamless shifts and an engaging drive, effortlessly blending refined cruising with pulse-raising acceleration. For those seeking an electrified experience, the LC 500 hybrid variant offers a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an advanced multi-stage hybrid system, generating a combined 354 horsepower. This setup provides impressive efficiency without sacrificing the dynamic driving feel that defines the LC lineup. To commemorate its legacy, Lexus introduces the exclusive 2025 Lexus LC 500 Inspiration Series, a limited edition model that embodies the pinnacle of style and exclusivity. With bespoke exterior colors, forged 21-inch wheels, and unique interior trim, this special edition is a collector's dream, blending artistry with high-performance engineering. Every drive in the LC 500 is a sensory experience. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint takes just 4.4 seconds, while its top speed of 168 miles per hour underscores its grand touring pedigree. The high-performance adaptive variable suspension, torsion limited slip differential, and rear-wheel steering on select trims ensure razor-sharp handling and a smooth, confidence-inspiring ride. Despite its emphasis on power, the LC 500 does not compromise on efficiency. The V8 model achieves up to 25 mpg on the highway, while the LC 500 hybrid extends range with an impressive 34 mpg on the highway, proving that exhilarating performance and responsible engineering can coexist. Inside, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 immerses its occupants in handcrafted luxury. The leather-trimmed sport seats, Alcantara accents, and intricately stitched dashboard create an opulent yet driver-focused cabin. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system provides seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the 13-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system transforms every drive into a concert-like experience. Exclusive features such as the digital instrument cluster inspired by the Lexus LFA supercar, customizable drive modes, and the new Lexus Drive signature chassis enhancements make every moment behind the wheel exhilarating. Meanwhile, the convertible variant's active noise control ensures an immersive, yet refined top-down experience, letting you savor the symphony of the V8 engine under an open sky. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 is more than just a car. It is a bold expression of luxury and performance, a celebration of the art of driving. Whether carving through winding roads or cruising down the highway, this grand tour is a statement of power, elegance, and sophistication, proving that true automotive passion is alive and well in the modern age.